In this example, we want to solve for the triangle. When a question asks us to solve for a triangle, it wants us to find all the side lengths and all the angles. So looking at this picture, we have a side length of 20 and a side length of 25, and we want to find our missing side length opposite of C. So to do this, we're going to use the formula of Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared all equals c squared. Now remember, c is the longest side, so in this case, c is going to be our unknown. So we have 20 squared plus 25 squared equals c squared. 20 squared is 400, 25 squared is 625, and then we're left with our unknown of c squared. When we add our left side together, we get 1025, all equals c squared, and then to get c by itself, we want to take the square root of both sides. The square root of 1025 is a rounded off number of 32. So our side length of c equals 32. So now that we have all our side lengths of 20, 25, and 32, we want to find our two angles of B and A. This will be theta A, and our top will be theta B. So let's first start by solving for theta A. To solve for theta A, we can use tan. So we know that tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So we can write op over adjacent. Opposite to theta A is our side length of 20, and adjacent to theta A is 25. So in our formula, we have tan theta, in this case theta A, equals our opposite of 20 and our adjacent of 25. So to solve for theta, we want to take the inverse of tan. So when you put that in your calculator, it'll look like tan inverse of 20 over 25, and you'll get your answer for theta A. So plugging that into your calculator, you get your answer for theta A to equal 38.66 degrees. Now that we solved for theta A, we want to solve for theta B. To do this, we need to remember that all angles in a triangle have to add up to 180. So to do this, we're going to have our theta A that we just solved, 38.66, plus theta B, plus our 90 degrees at the corner, and that all has to equal 180. So now we just need to solve for theta B. So 38.66 plus 90 gives us 128.66 plus theta B equals 180. Now to isolate for theta B, we want to subtract 128.66 from both sides. And then we get theta B to equal 51.34 degrees. So now we have our final answer for theta B, and we solve for theta A, and we solve for our unknown side length of 32. So now we've solved for the whole triangle, and we're done our question.